easy. Now that we have this selected and settled, I think that we can now agree that building your website with section styles is probably for some people will be the best, but for some others too, you'd want to build stuff from scratch. I have actually bought and downloaded this, right? So I'm just going to apply it to my page. And there's another theme that I actually bought that is being vetted that is not here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my projects and I'm going to add that theme to the page to show you how page layouts actually work. Now, when I go to my page layout, right, we have a few sections here. We can actually decide if we want to add certain things to it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click on this element. I went to page layout. I click on the page that I want to apply. It's just going to go ahead and load the page for me so I can see how it looks like. Now, just for the sake of the tutorial, let me just go into the App Store or the store and then come back again into our app and then let's see. So I'm going to buy this. I'm just going to call it and buy it. So I bought the item for 80 credits and I'm just going to go back to my projects and I'm going to go to training website and I'm just going to go ahead and download this asset into my asset library because then it's very important for me. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up. My website panel is still loading up. When it's done, it's just going to show this message. And I have the owned assets. Now I have solid form twice because I bought it. Then pear shaped single. So this is a single page website. So I'm just going to download it. Item downloaded. I'm going to extract it. Okay. Now that I've extracted it, I'll just want to click on my reload button to sort of reload my space for me. Now, in most cases, it's not necessary to reload, but I wanted to just reload this so that it actually goes faster for me. So I'm just going to click on this one page website and let's see what comes up. It's just going to fetch the design for me. And as I've said, some people would complain about the thing being a bit sluggish or let's say to be a bit slow because it's probably going to be slow if there's a break in your internet. Okay, so what I'm going to do is probably let's just click back on our photo start page that I actually saved and it loads a page that I'm going to apply and I click on apply. So what is going to happen is in the background is just applying to my page. Now I don't want to wait for it to finish and then show me what I have. So I'm just going to refresh my page. And as you can see, I applied the whole page to it. And it's showing undefined because I've not defined my navigation yet, and we are not dealing with navigation now, but it's a page layout of a full website that is functional and can be used for sort of a photography website or a portfolio website, and you can just deal with this and then you can push it online. So in the next videos when we are talking about editing content and then putting stuff in place, we are just going to use this template. I'm going to sort of create a host for it and upload it online so that you can see how all this works before we dive into a project from scratch.